Hi. I read in a recipe that I need 1 liter of water. And now my question is, how much is that 1 liter? So I use this tool to find out how much 1 liter is. And you can see right there at the top it says 1L, which means 1 liter. So I fill it up here with water until the top right there, and then now I have 1 liter of water. And a person asked me, well, 1 liter of water, how many deciliters is that? And to find out how many deciliters 1 liter is, I simply turn the tool around, and you can see right there at the top it says 10 deciliters. So 1 liter is the same as 10 deciliters.